Jasmine? Hey, Ashby. I think someone was sick at that party I just went to. You were there for 20 minutes and you got sick at a party. Crying out loud! When do you not get sick? You've been sick 3 times since spring, actually. Well, I'm sorry that I had to be sick. Does this mean I have to quit the competition? I did not flirt with a guy I don't even know for nothing. I flirted with him for $10 million. Just like my allowance each and every month. You get $9 million. So what? Just like get $90 and people as not rich as us. You're acting like me. So exaggerated. Well, listen, I'm calling your mother. There's a cup of soup because I knew you're just gonna get sick again. Oh, well, that's nice. I'll be upstairs, okay? Wait, did you say my mother? Yeah, your mom. What's so wrong about that? My mother is crazy! Go figure. No. She is more crazy than you think. One time I was on a soccer team and I was doing a greatest one ever. You were on a soccer team? You almost won a soccer team? We're rich. We don't have to do anything for the rest of our life. This was a point when I only got $1 million each month. Ooh. Bankruptcy? Yes. Anyway, I coughed like 2 times. My mother gave me 20 cough drops, and I dropped down and had to go to the hospital for 2 weeks. They had to surgically remove all that medicine and give me a different kind of medicine, but they told me once a day. Can you hear me? Because I was having a near-death experience from all that medicine. Go figure. Don't call my mom. No matter what you say, I'm calling her. Fine, but I hope you're ready for the explosion. The explosion is gonna happen soon. Oh yeah. This is supposed to be a summer party at our friend's little shindig, and I'm not going. Maybe you could go. That's good to know. I'm just not going either. Wow, that was some good soup. Cleo, what are you doing in my room? Oh, this is your room? It's too cold to be your room, but then again, your mother is rich. Hey, mommy girl. Don't call me a mommy girl. I am not mommy girl. You said your father was in the mummy. Not in the mummy is a mummy. Whatever, loser. Seems that you're the loser because you're sick. How did you know that? Were you eavesdropping on me? It depends. What you do if I say yes? We know what you are. You are a mummy. And we know what Draculaura is. We're not stupid. She's pink and she has stings and bangs. So do I. But you don't have the things part. Well, seems that you're a loser. And I'm not. I can't believe what you did to my car. You turned it white! To match your name, Jazzy. Don't call me that. Speaking of calls. Hello, this is... what's your last name? Yeah, right. Your daughter's sick and we need you to come. We're in Florida. You can get lost there, so I'll say right near. You got our coordinates that fast? Wow. Wait 1 minute. Someone's at the door. Whoa, you look just like... I know. Sorry I'm late. Traffic these days. Can't do anything about it. You are? I'm Jasmine. Jasmine Benson. Your name is Jasmine Benson. Wow, now I know why she's so sad when she doesn't call her last name. Where's my baby? Where's my baby? She's upstairs. I'll show you to her. Thank you. You said my baby was upstairs. That was upstairs. Yeah, I said upstairs, not up the elevator. Oh. Where's my baby? She's upstairs. Baby! I'm coming, baby! Mom, is that you? Yes, sweetheart, it's me. It's me, Jules. Mom! Your name is Jules? Jules! My precious baby, what have they done to you? I'm just a little sick. Now, if you excuse me, I'm having a sassy witch talk with this mummy. Your mummy too? You know how I feel. No, she means mummy. You know, wrapped in everything. You know, the whole deal. My baby! You're surrounded by crazy people! Mom! My baby, we're taking you home right now. Where's your car? You mean my Mustang? That shade turned white? Finally, I hated that cherry red. Everybody knows! Get your clothes. We're leaving now. Fine. No, I can't. I'm in this competition, Mom. I'm in a competition and I'm going to win $10 million. That's 6 million more than I get each and every month. Actually, 7 actually. My baby, you're hurt, aren't you? Get your clothes. Why, Mom? I can't stay 1 or 2 days at the most. I have to stay here. My baby. Plus, our house looks exactly like this. Yes. And I'm stopping like this. Come home now. I'll be waiting. I have your car. I'm taking your keys. Okay? You have 20 minutes. Fine. I'm only gonna stay there for 2 days. Fine. Look, everybody compromise. I'm so happy. Mom! Goodbye. She's gonna make me quit. I know. Sweet. Summer vacation, you're crying. No school, hot weather, competition that I'm gonna win $10 million because I got that juice wrapped around my little finger. It couldn't be any better. All I have to do is win every single competition. And then you're going down. How'd you even get in here? I have my ways. My baby's coming home. I'm gonna trick her to get out of the competition and pimp all our food. She's going out of the competition? Oh no, she isn't. No. Jasmine! Jules! Jasmine! Jules! Call me Jasmine, please. Okay. Listen. What? Cleo, what are you doing here? Don't mind me. It's just too funny. Wow, there's milk coming out of her nose. Well, we're going to do a little thing called getting you back in a competition. You are? You going to help me? Of course. Of course I am. My daughter's going home. These shoes are pinching my feet. I'll just put on my flats. That's better. Okay, which one's her car? Nope, she doesn't have a pink car. There it is.